What's up guys, back with another video. Today we're gonna be fishing Whitney Pond. The fish are starting to move shallow because the water is warming up. Fished here a couple times, caught some big fish, and we're hoping to do that again. They're starting to move down by the channel area, coming out from the deep. And let's quit talking and get to fishing. I'll catch you guys when we're fishing.
Yeah. Woo!
I thought that was weeds, but I guess not.
Oh my fucking word. Dude, I can't do it with you.
Should we anchor?
That's a nice one. That has a good color. Yeah. Hope he's there.
Jig definitely wasn't coming out, that's for sure. Nice little healthy fish there. It's a cold one. Alright. Let this guy go. Right back down. So we caught our first fish, as you saw. We're using jigs right now. We just cast it out to a flat in the deep. And then I thought I had weeds because it wasn't fighting, but then I set the hook just in case and then started fighting. So that's our fish for today. Hopefully we get more. We tried the channel, nothing down there, so we'll see what the day has to bring us. One.
Yeah? Why are you moving so fast?
I don't know, the wind. Get caught in the anchor. Oh. No, it's it's a pickerel.
Oh shit.
Motherfucker. The fish are stacked up in that corner though.
You go back up there.
Slimy cocks. Holy sh.
What?
He must have been deep. Hear the air coming out of him? Stay the fuck still. Let go! He has some teeth, dude. There's the pickerel, buddy. Oh, smallie. Smallmouth.
Smallmouth, bitch.
Alright, bring it over. I'll get it.
Let's go! That's the first smallie of the year. Give me that.
Look at that smallmouth, dude. That's a fatty.
That's mine, baby. Let's go. Give me this. Come on.
It's a fat smallie.
Yeah. The fucking minute. Come on.
You know what? I'll reel mine in and I'll get us on shore. Hey guys, Caleb just got that nice smallie. And we are going down the lake pretty fast. The wind is starting to pick up and we're cruising, but it'll probably be better at the other side. Caleb just had a bite and we'll probably have more fish down there too, but you'll see if we catch a fish or not. The video will see if it's like I've already had a fish. Hold on. Dude, I was trolling too.
Oh, that's a nice one. Well, I don't know how big it is yet.
Oh fuck.
Jeez, I'm on this shitty jig.
That's like a 2.5. 2.
2? Yeah, I'll get a 2. That one's actually that's a pretty healthy fish.
Pretty healthy, yeah.
Pretty healthy.
Alright, you know the deal.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna release her. Maybe we can catch her another day. She'll grow. She hasn't been caught before, that's pretty good. Because there's no holes in her mouth. They usually don't heal. Oh, see ya, girl.
I'm gonna whip it. I was fucking... Oh.
Nice, that's a nice one.
Yep. Dude, right at the fucking boat. Stop shaking.
Yeah, are we reeling in?
Yeah, reeling in.
Yeah, that's what happened to my last fish too. Show it.
Jesus. Whopper.
Nice one.
Oh yeah.
Picture.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to fucking grab it, but it was fucking.
Flopping.
Yeah. Well, I was trying to get it in his mouth, and every time I like was a centimeter away, it was like.
Alright, let's get a release on this. Yep. I just have one, I'm pretty sure. Just let off.
Oh fuck, that was a bad release, but whatever.
Guys, we're all the way down here now. We were all the way down there, but the wind kind of took us over here. And we figured out that the fish are biting on the reeling in process, because whenever we start reeling in, they just hammer it. We've had a couple bites like that, but we've only hooked up on 2 of them. And I don't know how long we'll be out here because the wind's starting to pick up, but it depends how the fish are biting.
Hey, I got
I told you to cast it. That's the one I had.
Bring him over.
I'll grab him if you can't.
Hit the rod tip.
Rod tip.
Oh, fuck me.
There you go.
Yeah! Let's go, Riders!
Nice fatty. So Ryder's caught his first fish of the season.
First of the season.
Feels good for him.
I think you have me on Snap if you do.
Yeah, I'll send that. Nice one. Got almost a 2-pounder. Good one to start off the year for him, but hopefully we'll get more. Nice one, dude.
Yes, sir!
Just turned off the camera. What a beast.
That thing is
He's getting the hang of it.
Getting the hang of it now, bud.
Show him. It's a nice one.
Yes, sir.
That concludes the video. We're out here in the woods now, just messing around by the brook and stuff. See you guys later. See you in the next video.